guys. Whew, am I tired? But it is second day of opening, well, youth season down here in Georgia, and I'm taking a little buddy of mine. His name's Drew. I'm gonna try to get him a bird down this morning. Hopefully, we had a storm come in last night, and hopefully A, we don't get rained on, and B, hopefully the birds are talking. I'm hoping that since yesterday was gloomy doomy, that today they'll be fired up, ready to go. But you never know. That's why they call it hunting. So and I also have a feeling, you ever go to Turkey Woods and you just got the feeling that you're gonna have to go to the bathroom at some point in time? Today's one of them days for your boy. So got me some toilet paper, we'll figure it out. But got about an hour ride in front of us, or in front of me, and I will see y'all when I get there. We got one goblin, we're en route. And I mean goblin. And we got wood ducks flying over.
Right there, and before this pine tree, in between that pine tree and that thick cut right there, there's a road that goes across that way. But we might see if we do that.
Yeah, they're still on the tree too. Yeah.
Where do you want me to be?
See right there. I'll get in a second. Get ready. He might fly straight to us. Hey, hold the side button. Yeah.
Is it on?
Face it towards me. Tap it. Hold it again. There you go.
No, dude.
Not yet. now. Scoot up some. He's coming through. He's going to the right. Be still. You want me to stop him? Not yet. Shoot him.
Did I miss him?
Yeah.
Dang.
It's all good.
Dang.
Yeah, we'll just gobble. I think further down.
I was supposed to shoot like just below his head, right?
Right at his head. Like in the neck. You're good, man. It's all good. I've missed turkeys before. It's crazy. You can shoot a duck flying 30 miles an hour, but a turkey that's sitting dead still. Let's go shoot that bird. Hey, it's okay. Hey. It's like he was hung up and he just decided to come out of nowhere.
Yeah, he just like started flying.
I'm shaking worse than you are. Say hey. Way over there. Okay. Give me 1 second. Give me like an update. Like where the creek is. Well, we're pouting a little bit. But it happens. We missed a giant, but it happens. Now we're just sitting here waiting on one to gobble. We think we heard one way off. So we might go give him a try in just a second. Getting carried away by mosquitoes. I'm sunburnt. No bueno. I'm hungry. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. Yeah, it was daylight for 30 minutes. I mean, he flew down and 10 minutes later we shot. Oh my gosh. And like, he flew down I mean, we were in a bad spot. We're like in some burnt pines. So, I mean, it's wide open. And he was roosted to our left. Flew down to our right. Drew's to my left with a gun. So, I'm in the middle of fire and a gobbler, a giant gobbler. And then he's strutting, doing his thing for what felt like 3 hours. And then it's like a light switch turned on. He just came running behind us. And then we tried to get situated real quick while we could. And I just think it was all a little too rushed. But it happens. You live and you learn. Ain't that right?
Mm-hmm.
What you think?
Nothing much. Kind of mad.
It happens.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sweating. I got swamp butt. Might have the damn, what do they call it, the Zika virus? Is that the mosquito virus?
Something like that.
Probably gonna have that by the time I get out of here. But hopefully one of them longbeards make it all worth it. But we're gonna stop talking and go try to kill one. Even though this seat I'm sitting on feels pretty good. What restaurant are they eating at? You don't know?
I don't know, so they told me the name. It's like some crazy name.
I hate Jacksonville. I'll never go back.
Like, we've been a couple times. Well, I've been a couple times, and like we went to a place in St. John's, and that place was pretty good. But
Just wait till you drive through Jacksonville.
I'm not doing that.
Whole different story.
I'm probably fine in the back seat.
It's worse than Atlanta, dude. I'm telling you. Dude, when I was sitting over there, and I was sitting like this, I had like mosquitoes just biting me right on my crotch. What didn't feel good. No, that's awesome. I'm sitting on an ant bed. I'm telling you, dude, everything I see looks like a turkey.
I was looking at this little stump over here, but I said, right when we pulled over here, that little stump on the other side of the tree, and this little thing on the end of it looked like feathers. I was like, no.
I reckon we're gonna go up to this field and just camp out. Update, we took a break. Got some food. Got a gallon of mild sauce for our 6 tacos. So, see you later. Ready, Freddie?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. Quiet. Almost like they got shot at this morning or something.
Looks like what?
So it's almost like they got shot at this morning or something. Let's tuck off a few more rows in case one sneaks up on us. Well, we're back at it. Got us some Taco Bell. Took a dump after I ate Taco Bell. Came down here to listen where we missed one earlier. Ain't heard nothing but the wind blowing. So, we're about to change up plans again. Go to where we initially started this morning at the very beginning. Just down by the creek. See if we can strike one up. If not, we'll go to the other side of the property, see if we can strike one up. And if not, we're gonna play the deer hunting game. Just sitting still and listen. But that's the plan for now. Well guys, I don't know if you can tell by my face. We gave them all we had. We got lunch, went back out, didn't hear a peep, sat in a few different spots for an hour or so, and yeah, they just shut up after we shot at 7:30ish. We didn't hear another gobble after that, if I recall correctly. I think the weather, it got hot quick. I mean, I think the high today was like 86, 87. So I mean, yeah, it got super hot quick, and I think that had a little something to do with it too. And of course, shooting had something to do with it as well. And yeah, we were on a small tract of land, so that was kind of the shot heard around the world type deal. But this was chapter 1 to don't really have a name for the turkey, but we'll say this is chapter 1 to Drew's first bird. He missed. It happens. I've missed before. I know a lot of other people that have missed before, and I mean, it just happens. That's part of hunting. So, but we're gonna stick with it. I think next weekend we're either gonna go to my place and hopefully get me one, or another buddy of mine one, or we're gonna go back with Drew and hopefully knock him down his first one. Might go Saturday my place, Sunday to Drew's. We'll see how it goes. I mean, it's Sunday. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, so we'll see as the week goes what we're gonna do. But good Lord's got a plan for Drew. Drew, it's all right, buddy. It happens. We miss. We ain't perfect. We're human. Good Lord's got a plan. We're gonna keep hunting them. We're gonna get you that first bird, buddy. One way or another. We're gonna try. That's for sure. But I hope y'all enjoy this episode. Hopefully we can get one down on the ground and in person. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this. We'll say this is chapter 1 of Drew's first bird. And God bless. See y'all on the next one.